Stop picking products based on emotion. When it comes to selling on Amazon, it's data that wins overall. Just because you like a product does not mean it's going to sell. Now, a few key metrics that you want to focus on when it comes to selecting a product. First one being is the demand. The best way to gauge the demand of an item on Amazon is the BSR, or the best sellers rank. So the lower that is, the closer it is to 1, the more the item sells, the more the item shows that it's in demand. The second thing you want to look for are the reviews on the product. Now, you can have a great product, great demand, but if the reviews are terrible, that means that's a key indicator that you can expect a lot of returns. Just because the item sells, if you have a lot of returns, you're not going to profit. You're actually end up going to lose out, just because now you lose the item and you lose the income on the product as well, the revenue on the product as well. Third thing being is you want to look at the profit margins. The profit margins are the amount of money you make on the item when you sell it. So the difference between the cost and the overall revenue, what's left over is going to be your profit. Now, products on Amazon, if you're selling wholesale, you typically want to be in the 20 to 30% range on average. If you're doing private label, you can do 40% plus, just because you control the demand, you control the value of the item. The last key indicator I want to talk about when selecting a winning product is the competition. So the best way to look at this is it's how many offers are on that Amazon listing. So when you click other sellers, does it say 20 other sellers? Does it say 2 other sellers? Does it say 5 other sellers? That's going to be the competition. And the way it works on Amazon is Amazon's going to select the best possible seller for the customer on that listing. For example, if the customer is closer in shipping proximity to you, that will be a customer that you will most likely win the buy box for, because you can ship to them faster. So Amazon will always provide the best possible seller the opportunity to sell the item, or win the buy box, I should say. If you are a new seller on Amazon, you want to find listings that have low competition, and that's just simply because your store does not have the sales history, it's not seasoned enough to compete with those other bigger stores that have been on the listing much longer. So you just want to find listings and opportunities that have less competition. This way, it's much easier for you to win the buy box and slowly build up that sales history. That's it for this video. To sum it up, remember, you want to look for the BSR, the demand of the item, the profit margins, how much money you're making off of each item. You want to look for the reviews to make sure that this item will in fact not only sell for you, but not be returned back to you consistently. And then lastly, you want to look at the competition, how many offers are currently on that listing. And that's how you select winning products. So if you have any questions about this, be sure to leave a comment below. Hope you enjoyed this video.